Okay, guys, we are in the supermarket. It's like a little corner deli on Highland Boulevard. And they have all the vegetables and stuff. You won't know what they got in here until you come inside. Oh. Oh, that's $4.49 each. That's $5 for a pound of barn. They can keep that shit. Let me see if they have any deli dressing. Whatever that is. Okay, excuse me. Ooh, this bread is nice, hot, and fresh. This is where they got it at. This the one with the seeds? Nope. I know, right? There you go. It's nice and warm. Which way the line? Thank you. I think I'm gonna leave it here until I'm done here. Oh, look how nice and neat. Working hard, nice and clean. I like to come and clean the store. Okay, so I'm gonna get the meat off the deli, from the deli.